Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the engine filter in a 2018 Nissan Murano. So what you need to do is this to start. Okay folks, let's get started. So you move this latch in the front. There's only two latches to unlock it. Up, and this one's the same one over here. Push it up. Then you can lift the engine filter out, get a new one. The OEM or generic one will work. So notice there's some loop in the back. When you put it back in, make sure the loops are aligned. So that loop, has to push the top part, go under the loop to latch correctly. So it's a little bit complicated to put it in my here, but once you get it in, it's nice and tug on fit. Make sure you put the back part in first, then the top part, just put the latch. Align it correctly and push the latch down. So it's all aligned. Push the latch down and push this latch down. And that's how simple it is to change the engine filter in a Murano. Thumbs up if this helped you and save you some money. See you next time. Bye.